Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today for another video. So we're back in the office again so soon, and that's because today we are going out into the world together. My husband Sumner and I are actually about to go out on a little sushi date with May, as you know, and her partner Marshall. We're gonna go get some crepes afterwards, and we're gonna go shopping around my favorite Asian shopping market area, so I wanted to take you guys along with me. All places that I've mentioned in my videos before, so I thought I would take you on a little tour. I think my husband is almost done getting ready, so we'll head out, but first, a little outfit check. So here is what we are working with today. Just a nice casual little kawaii outfit. I've got on this striped shirt that I got from Forever 21 forever ago. I have on my cute cult earrings that I got from the cute nail salon. And then these overalls are like my go-to outfit for the summer right now. These are from Teddy Fresh. And then I have on these cute pastel sneakers from YRU. Very cute, very casual, very ready for the 100-degree heat. Oh, and actually, outfit check number 2, because I forgot to show you guys my adorable Mary purse that I got in Japan. The light of my life. Okay, so there's a little bit of a wait for the restaurant, so I am in Daiso right now. I might pick up a few things while I'm here and do a little haul later, but come around with us while we shop. Well, look at this beautiful creature. May, outfit check, go. What do we got going on today?
Pants and a shirt, thankfully.
You're razzling them. You're dazzling them. Beautiful. Wait, show the hand pack. Oh my god, look at this cute little thing. Adorable. Look at these literal, like, Animal Crossing stationery note cards. They're so cute. Himonki. I also really love Daiso's selection of, like, bowls and plates and stuff. These are so cute and inexpensive and just nice to have around the kitchen. Please observe the most delicious chips at the store. These are in my kawaii snacks video I did. Go check that out. I will link it up above. Yay, it's our turn at the restaurant. Let's go! So we came here at the perfect time. Their little goodies and their prizes are Sanrio themed.
Oh, yeah, they are hard to open.
Do it, May. Everyone's watching.
Oh god, oh god.
It's all up to you. Oh my god, you're doing it. What is it?
What did we get? It looks like, oh, it's an eyeglass cleaning cloth.
Oh, thank god.
There's so many.
We have those. Yay.
It's a
Who's
fancy
on it?
Mario.
Oh, it's like everybody.
Oh.
We got everybody.
The gang's all here. Oh, that's actually really cute. What the heck? They look like little nuggets. Look at the melody one. Good work, guys. Wow, it's cleaning so well. It's cleaning so well. It's so clean. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, we're back from dinner and dessert, and I wanted to share what I got from Daiso. Okay, so first I got this jasmine green tea, because we're going to be having snacks later. Gotta have a drink. And then I did pick up some masks as well. Some of the restaurant, like dessert areas over there, required a mask, so I grabbed these. It says child size, but so is my face, so that's fine. And then I thought this one was really cute too, little Rilakkuma one. And then for snacks, I got these two little things. They're potato something. They're called jagariko, and jagaimo in Japanese means potato. So these are like potato snacks. This one is Hokkaido butter and original, whatever that means. So we'll have to find out. And I also got these like really cute gummy peachy things. They're just like little tiny gooey drops of peach flavored gummy candy. Super good. And then I have been wanting one of these for a really long time. It's like a shampoo massagey thing. You like do one of these maneuvers on your scalp when you're washing your hair, and it like gets all of the gunk off your scalp. And I use a lot of dry shampoo, so I think this will be great for me. And then finally, I got two of these things. I honestly don't know what they are. They just looked really cute and they were at the checkout, so they got me. It looks like it's like a little Rilakkuma blind box of one plush keychain. Okay, let's open these. Let's see, which one do I hope I get? Ooh, I would love this Rilakkuma one up here. Or, ooh, the Rilakkuma cupcake one is super cute. I'll be happy with any of them, but those are the two that I want. Can I do this? There we go. Now that I've completely mangled the box, what did I get? Oh, it's the little bird guy. To be honest, like no offense to him, but he is like my least favorite of all of the Rilakkuma characters, so hopefully this one will be better. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, it's one of the little macarons and it's got Rilakkuma on the top. Okay, I'm very happy with this one. Not so happy with the other one. Sorry if you're a fan of this guy out here, but I prefer this. Okay guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and just chill for the rest of the night, so I will stop the video here. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. If you did enjoy it, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I post kawaii content every Monday and Thursday for you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye!